Have you ever needed your shape in Canva to be an exact size, maybe a perfect square, banner, or frame, but struggled to get the dimensions just right? In this quick 2-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to resize a shape to exact dimensions in Canva with precision and ease. Start by making sure you're logged into Canva and open a new or existing design where you want to add and customize your shape. Next, look over to the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard. You'll see a menu with different options. Click on Elements. This is where you'll find Canva's full collection of design features, including the shapes we'll be using today. At the top of the Elements panel, you'll notice a search bar. Type in shapes to narrow down your results. Canva will instantly show you a wide variety of options: circles, squares, triangles, rectangles, and more. Choose the one that best fits your project. Once you've picked your shape, click and drag it onto your design canvas. Drop it where you want it to appear. Now, here's where the magic happens. When your shape is selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it with small circular handles at each corner. These handles are used to resize your shape. Click and drag any of the handles to adjust the size, and keep an eye on the small numbers that appear while you drag. Canva displays the shape's exact width and height in pixels in real time. This makes it super easy to get precise measurements. If you want your shape to be a perfect square, hold the Shift key while resizing. This keeps the proportions equal, or for specific dimensions, you can watch those on-screen numbers and stop exactly where you need to. This level of control is great when you're designing layouts that require symmetry or alignment, like social media templates, presentations, or infographics. Once your shape is perfectly sized, you can also adjust its color, border, or transparency to match your design theme. And that's it. You've successfully resized a shape to exact dimensions in Canva. It's a small detail, but mastering this gives your projects a clean, professional edge. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and share what kind of design you're working on in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.